Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So in this session, we will be continuing the process of learning of using this GeoGebra 3D calculator in the mobile. I hope you have practiced how to make a cube and create its net for visualization of cube and its net. So today we are going to explore this pyramid tool and we will be exploring the prism tool also. See how we do it. Click on the pyramid and it is written that select a polygon for bottom. So first thing is we will be selecting the tool and clicking on the screen to create the bottom first, right? So let us see if we need to create a triangular pyramid, how we go about it. So you can see that we have created the base of the pyramid, that is ABC. Then simply put your hand on the screen and stretch it. See how beautifully we have got the point D, and this is the apex. This is called the apex. And if you click on the move tool, you can move the sides of the base, change the size of the pyramid, and you can even rotate it. See how beautiful representation it is. So for visualization, it is very good. Children can easily see that in a triangular pyramid, all the faces, they are triangles, right? And there is an apex, a common point. Here you can talk about this point D, that we call the top of the pyramid, tip of the pyramid, where all the edges like BD, CD and AD, you can rotate and while talking can explain the construction, isn't it? And then using the move tool, like I shared with you earlier, you can change the size of the pyramid. Now, if you wish to use the net, we can show the net as well. You know how to use this? Yes, click on the net that is given in the basic tools and then click on the polyhedron. See how beautifully we can use this feature to explain the construction. When we fold this, how we get a pyramid. See how it looks like. And you can again rotate it. Right? Then again by using this move tool, we can open the flaps and you can rotate the 3D object and see how beautifully you can explain the concept of how a 3D object looks like from various perspectives. Isn't it beautiful? Right. Okay. Now to differentiate between prism and pyramid. Normally children, they get confused between these two 3D shapes. So what we can do is we can do the construction of prism using the prism option. So let me clear this first, because on one screen you can create one object, right? So let us see where is the prism tool. Click on more and then you see lots and lots of tools are available. So here this is the prism tool. Click on prism. It is written select a polygon for the bottom. Let us make a triangular prism first. Very simple. We can create the base first like we did in the pyramid. Here you will notice if we extend this, you can use the move tool. Let us do it again. You know, sometimes you click a wrong option and you reach up to this, never mind. We can learn patiently. So ABC is the base. Then we need to just stretch it like we did earlier, and then we see that we got here a triangular prism, right? You can rotate it. See how beautifully it is appearing, right? So this is a triangular prism. Now we can talk about the differences in a prism and a pyramid. What are the differences? And talk about the faces. So here in the prism you will notice that the faces are, some of them are triangular, that is the top and the bottom, and if you see the side faces, all of them are rectangular. You can rotate it and explain it to the children, right? And top and bottom, they are congruent. Talk about this, right? So like we have done square, this triangular prism, we can work on making square prism, and you know that in that case it can be a parallelepiped or it can be a cuboid, right? So this is how we can make effective use of this. See, this is the net of this prism which we have created, and we can make use of move tool to show the folding. See how beautifully we are getting this triangular prism, right? So I hope you will explore this on your own and will get insight of using this tool with students in online classroom. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.